In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Epic Games security code. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you're using a computer, laptop, a phone, doesn't matter. Now, you need to come on epicgames.com and sign into your account. Okay, after that, you need to come to your name, click on account, and you will come to this page right here. You need to click password and security. And if you swipe down, you will see the option that you activated to turn on the security codes. So for example, third-party authentication app, SMS authentication, or email authentication. If you need the security code to sync into your account, I recommend you to check your SMS on your phone, your third-party authentication app like Google Authentication Code, or your email to see if you have a security code authentication. Okay, so after checking these three options, you probably will see your security code, and you just need to enter the security code to log to your account. Okay, you can also come to this page, turn off or turn on these options right here. Okay, I recommend you to turn on because these make your account more safe. I hope I help you on how to find Epic Games security code. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive its footsteps.